What's up, guys? It's your boy. Now, before we start this video, this is not a sponsored video. There's no sponsorship. I'm not being paid for this, but I was contacted about Halo View rear view cameras with DVRs. So they contacted me. We went back and forth a little bit, and they have a camera that they said is perfect for us and our 65 to 70 foot rigs. So they sent me the RD7 setup. So what did it, man, we getting a haircut today. So it is a camera that I'm going to put on the back of the trailer. It's going to be recording all the time, and also, like I said, it has a DVR. So we're going to open it up. I'm going to show you what's included. I'm going to do the install, and I'm going to show you how it works, and then I will do a follow-up video on what I think about it. Because tomorrow, I'm headed to Dirty Jersey, and they like to tailgate and have tight spots up there. So what better place to check out the RD7 than Dirty Jersey? So let's see what this kit's all about. Alright guys, so this is what we got. This is the Halo View RD7. They gave me this little, I don't know what this is. Some kind of, I guess it's a magnet mount or something. I don't know, we'll figure that out when we get there. There's a user's manual. This is what they say it can do. And this is how we're going to set it up. So, man, I'm excited. All these fools that like to ride my bumper, I got something for you. Alright, so this here, this is the 7-inch monitor that comes with it. And it's got an antenna that sticks up. That's the only thing I don't know if I'm going to like, but we're going to see. But this is essentially wireless from the trailer to the truck. It's not a wireless unit, but it's wireless from a receiver on the trailer to the truck. So there's the camera. This is the cord, I guess, that I'm going to run down the trailer. And this here is the receiver that is going to send the signal to this camera, and they both have antennas. And then over here, we just got a whole bunch of hoot and blah, and I don't know what to do with this. But, oh, this is if I use multiple cameras. We're not going to do that. Right now, I think what we're going to do is just hardwire it, and we're going to see what happens. Because I only got one camera with it. So, alrighty. So let me get this hair figured out, and I will touch base with you. Hopefully, we've got camera action. So that's at the front of the truck, right? Like this is the front of my truck. Now listen. Yo, this thing has sound. Like, really? I don't know why I need sound. I don't need sound, but I got it. You know, and I guess I can change the brightness and all that, and I can hook up the 4 cameras on it. You know, do mirror. You know, we'll go through and learn all this stuff, I'm sure. Turn it upside down if I need to. So, yep, that's that, guys. So now I'm going to see if I can't get her hooked up real quick and see what it do. What it do. So that there is the camera. We mounted on the back of the trailer. And then under, we ran a wire. There's a wire that goes up to here. There you can see the zip ties. It's going to keep coming. Now here's the box. It is Wi-Fi. I'm getting ready to tape all these down. And then I just powered it up to that. And then let's go to here. Boom! That's what it looks like. I got it mounted. It's a pretty cool system. I can actually hook 4 cameras up to this. So, I'm going to do a review. I'm going to back up with it tonight. I'm going to use it a couple days, and then we're going to see how I like it. So far, so cool. Oh, believe it or not, it's got sound. I don't know why, and I have a feeling I might have to turn it off. Well, I do know why, because if you're backing people up, but I'm going to have to turn her off. But until I do the review, you're going to have to wait. Like, it's just nice to know what's back there. Like that car right there, can't see her in my mirror really. Can't see her at all. But now, you can't hide from Hotshot. Again, this is the RD7 kit. It came with one camera, and it's also recording. So if something happens at a truck stop and they back into me, or which I've had trucks hit, backed into, and they take off, and the law is if you don't quote unquote see them, you can't say that, you know, that they did it. So I'm enjoying it. You know, I like the peace of mind, and the only thing I'm having a problem with is I got to learn where they're at in the camera in relation to my trailer. Like when they go out of the view, where are they in the trailer? You know what I mean? But other than that, it's awesome. Now you could set it up as just a backup cam and have the lines on it, but I took them off because it's not really a backup camera for me. But so that's the review on it so far. So I think we need some more cameras under surveillance 24/7. It's your boy Hotshot. I'll keep you up to date. Alright guys, so check that out. We are backing into a spot here. And this is the RD7. We're getting a little close over there. Makes life so much easier. But that's that. Alright guys, so I want to show you what it looks like at night. This is it at night. It's got night vision. Now when a car comes up behind me, I'll see if I can get one. It actually, you know, opens up. You can see lights back there, but they're not close at all. Alright guys, so I wish there was something different that I could do about that. That's my only dislike about this camera, and it may be something I can change when I call them. I have the brightness turned down because the headlights are just so bright, but you can see they're back there and it works as a backup camera, but at night, you know, it doesn't. You can see they're there, you know, but you can't get your real depth. Because you can see there, he looks kind of close, but you see he's actually way back. So, I know guys, there's windows, like he's way back there. So, that's the only downfall, but as a backup or, you know, CYA cam, and it would still CYA right now. Like if somebody come up and hit me, I'm still good. But that's the only thing I don't like so far. And sorry about the movement. I'm on I-90 going to Buffalo. So, that's that. Link will be in the description. Alright guys, so that is a update, recap, review on the RD7. Personally, I'm enjoying it. I like it. The links in the description, along with other gear that I use and equipment if interested. And yeah, they are affiliate links, so if you use them, I do get a commission. Yeah, so if you like it, go ahead and get you one. They have different systems. You don't have to get the one I got. They do have cheaper systems, but that's just what they sent me because it was a review, I guess. So, all right, guys, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell. Oh yeah, hit the bell, and don't forget, we're getting ready to do the giveaway. And I haven't said it in a while, but we're getting ready to, I'm working on some new shirts right now for the gear. I think y'all gonna like this one. So, alright guys, it's your boy Hotshot. Like, share, subscribe. We out. Alright guys, so as I said, that's the review of the Halo RD7. If you're interested, there's 2 links in the comments. The one for their website, you can use the code at the bottom of the screen here and get 5% off. The Amazon one, you do not get the discount. So, if you're interested, go on over there and hit them up. Hit them up, hit them up. I love my RD7. And, you know, there may be a better system for you. I don't know, depending on the size of your rig. But I'm sure if you call or email, they'll let you know. Again, Halo View RD7, thumbs up in my book.